Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Personalization. So right here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Let me just enter it for a second. All right. Here we have to tap on More Wallpapers. As you can see, we've been transferred to the section from which we can choose the wallpaper from. I will omit AI theme generator and depth effect home screen because it doesn't work on all of the wallpapers. However, I highly recommend to check my other tutorial where I explain the depth effect home screen and AI theme generator in details. So we can choose a wallpaper from our own gallery, or here we've got those which are pre-installed. So here we've got featured, depth, live wallpaper, which are animated, static wallpapers, AI doodle, and AI cartoon, and Vogue portraits. So we've got quite a lot of things to choose from. We've got a lot of static wallpapers here also. But if you want to, and if you've got the internet connection, we've got online wallpapers, which means that we can enter this kind of themes section and choose and download the wallpaper, and they are free of charge, which is great. So let me just give me a second. I will pick something and I will show you how to set it. Alright, so if you will find the wallpaper that you'd like to apply, simply tap on it and then tap on download. Now let your device download it. Of course, you need the internet connection, remember about that. And now we can decide where we want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.